Analysis of Moire pattern amplitude and characteristics based on twist angle and opening ratio. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The amplitude, period, and orientation angle of the Moire patterns were obtained as functions of the twist angle. Besides, the amplitude of the Moire patterns was estimated in relation to the opening ratio in line gratings and square grids. The theory was developed, and the experimental measurements were performed. The theoretical interpretation of characteristics was based on the wave vectors and the transfer function. The experiments were conducted using 3D displays and printed samples. The characteristics of the Moire patterns were found as functions of the angle and opening ratio. The slope and width of the functions were estimated. Simultaneous branches were observed and analyzed. The minimum and the maximum of the amplitude were found. We found the connection between the opening ratio and the magnitude of the Moire patterns in the 1D binary grating, particularly the extrema. There was a good agreement between the theoretical and experimental data. The results can be applied to prevent or minimize the Moire effect in displays, improve image quality in autostereoscopic 3D displays, design Moire displays, and perform measurements. Introduction. The Moire effect is a visual phenomenon that occurs when two periodic patterns, like grids or gratings, overlap. This interference creates new patterns with a larger, lower frequency period that can be distracting, especially in displays such as digital screens. The Moire effect can appear in technologies like OLED, microLED, and AR/VR displays, where it often results from the regular arrangement of pixels and other transparent layers. While it's usually considered undesirable, some researchers have found creative ways to use the Moire effect, such as in motion sensors and augmented reality systems. The visibility of Moire patterns depends on various factors like the angle, spacing, and size of the gratings. A key characteristic is the amplitude of the pattern, which determines how noticeable it is. Patterns with higher amplitudes are more visible. The Moire effect is also influenced by the angle of the layers and the relative spacing between them. At certain angles, the patterns become more prominent and can cause strong visual effects. Interestingly, certain angles, known as Moire angles, are particularly prone to this effect, especially in digital displays with square pixels. Efforts to minimize the Moire effect have led to new techniques, including changes in pixel arrangement or the use of filters to smooth out the patterns. Despite its usual negative impact on visual quality, researchers continue to explore both its unwanted effects and potential applications in new display technologies. Conclusion. This study examines how the amplitude, period, and orientation of Moire patterns in 3D displays change with angle. Using precise measurements, the research analyzes how these patterns behave in both 1D and 2D grating systems, focusing on factors like the opening ratio of the gratings. The findings show that the amplitude of Moire patterns peaks at specific ratios, with maximum values occurring around 50% for 1D gratings and 67% for 2D gratings. Experimental results closely match the theoretical predictions. The study also discusses how these measurements can help reduce Moire effects in displays by selecting optimal angles for barrier plates or lenticular lenses. This research is particularly useful for improving the quality of 3D displays, such as autostereoscopic or multiview systems, and for applications where precise control over Moire patterns is needed. for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.